Indian tennis legend Leander Paes has officially joined the BJP ahead of the West Bengal Assembly elections. The announcement was made on Tuesday in the presence of Union Minister Kiran Rijiju and other senior party leaders. Paes had recently met BJP National President Nitin Nabin in Kolkata on March 24th, sparking speculation about his entry into politics. During the announcement, Paes expressed confidence in the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and described joining the BJP as a significant moment in his life. Union Minister for Parliamentary Affairs and Minority Affairs Kiran Rijiju lauded Paes' distinguished tennis career, highlighting his Olympic achievements and contributions to the nation. Rijiju also said that following a remarkable innings in sports, Paes is now embarking on a new chapter in public life. Paes stated that his political focus will be on empowering children and young people across India. He emphasized the importance of nurturing the country's large youth population over the next 2 to 3 decades to help India emerge as a global superpower. He also praised the Prime Minister's leadership, noting that the government's initiatives, including infrastructure development in sports, have been encouraging. This development comes as the BJP intensifies its campaign efforts in West Bengal, with elections scheduled in 2 phases on April 23rd and April 29th. Paes had previously joined the Trinamool Congress in 2021 and campaigned for the party during the 2022 Goa elections, although he has not contested any elections himself. Sources within the BJP suggest that Paes could be considered for a Rajya Sabha seat following the West Bengal elections. For now, he is expected to actively campaign for the party in the ongoing 2026 Assembly elections. Paes added that, given the current geopolitical climate, India has strong opportunity to rise as a global power under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he is committed to contributing to this vision.